Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to set up your Google Doc, how to format it for a research paper, and it's also going to show you how to do your works cited page as well. So I am on a brand new Google Doc, and I like to get rid of this tab thing first because I really don't know what it's used for and it's in my way. Bye-bye. All right, so go up here to where it says Untitled Document, and you're going to, I would put your topic here, like first impressions, let's say. Ooh, spell it right though. And then you just hit enter and that's your title, okay? Now you go up to your toolbar here and you are going to change the font to Times New Roman. Mine's up here already because I use it so frequently, but if you just go ahead and search or type in the letter T, it'll take you to Times New Roman and you can choose that one. So it's Times, and we're going to change our size to 12, so bump that up to 12. And then we are going to hit the more here in our tools. We want to make sure that we are double spacing, and the second little one here is for the spacing. I'm going to change that to double. We want to make sure that it's double spaced now. All right, now we need to insert a header because we're going to have your last name and page number in the header. And you just go over here to the insert menu, and you'll have to scroll down just a wee bit until it says headers and footers, and we want a header, so choose header, and there it is. We're going to tab all the way over. Okay, I went too far, so I'm going to backspace twice because that's where you need to be. All right, one before the last one on that line. And you're going to type your last name. Oopsie, I didn't tab over. I tabbed over too much. Okay. Meh. All right, so Galima is my last name, and that's a space there. So Galima and a space. You think you're done with the header? No, you're not. Now we're going to insert a page number. So you go back to the insert menu. You scroll down where it says page numbers, and we are going to choose this first option here. We want it in the upper right hand corner, right where my cursor is, and we want it to be successive, like 1, 2, 3. Okay, ooh, look at that. It's like magic. Go ahead and highlight this because we are not done. The header acts like a separate document, so it puts it in the default font and size, and we don't want that. We want to change the font back to Times, and we want to change the size to 12. Okay, now we're done. And to exit the header, all you have to do is to click into the document below. Okay, now we're going to put our heading on, and of course you start with your name, and then my name, then the course. Oopsie, you want to capitalize that. And the date. And the date is funky. It's going to be like this. You put the day first, then the 3-letter abbreviation for the month, and then the year. That's how we do it. Then you hit enter once, and then we are going to center our title. So you go back up here to your toolbar where it says align and indent, and you go to the center function, which is the second one over. Choose that, and then you write your title here. Your title can be anything related to what you wrote about. I'm just going to title mine First Impressions. First impressions are correct, maybe, since I took a side. Then you hit enter once. It's already double spaced because we already did that, so you never hit enter twice. Now we have to go back to our left alignment. Now we're back there. And we're going to start our first paragraph right here. Okay? And you want to hit the tab key first, so you indent. And I'm just going to write a little bit here. Yeah, here we go. And it should look just like that. Perfect, right? Okay, so hit enter one more time, and we're going back up to my favorite menu, which is insert menu. Go to the insert menu, and we're going to go down to break. We are going to insert a page break here. Whoops, how did I lose that? So we go to break. What is happening? Insert break. This needs to go away, whatever this is. Yeah, collapse. Okay, sorry about that. It's my first time screencasting. So we go to break. Go away. Why is this even here? No, I don't want this. I don't want this. Okay, I guess you just have to hide it up there, but that's in my way too. Sorry, I had to move that around. This, don't use Screencastify, it sucks. All right, back to insert, my bad. So we're going to break, all right, and it's going to bring up a small menu for you, and you go to page break. And look at that, it takes you to page 2, all right? It's already formatted for you, it's ready to go. So we want to do a title again, because this is going to be our works cited page. And no worries, when you type in the first page, it's just going to push everything down a page, and it'll be fine. You'll have this extra page at the end. So this is your works cited page. You want to go back up to the alignment, and you want to center the title. So we go to our center, and it should be spelled just like this. And it should have a capital W and a capital C. No bold, no big size, nothing. Everything is 12-point size. Then we hit enter, and we have to change it back to our left alignment. Okay? Well, when you have your works cited page, you have a format called hanging indent for your sources. So you have to go up to the format menu, and you have to go to align and indent, and you go over to the menu that they give you, and you go to indentation options. All right, we're going to choose hanging, and then we are going to put 0.5 here, 0.5, just like that, and we're going to apply it. Okay, now I am going to, let's see here, I'm going to take my picture up here so I can have some room. All right, so now we are going to put our first source here. Now, I've already copied and pasted it from our citation generator, okay, and that's what you're going to do. You can hit Control-C after you've highlighted it from the citation generator will give you a perfect citation. So all you have to do is copy it, highlight it and put Control-C, and now I'm hitting Control-V to bring it into my document.